Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video I will show you how to install Messenger on the SONY Xperia 10 Mark VII. Let's begin! First of all, you want to simply enter your Play Store. Note that if you're not logged in onto your Google account, you won't be able to use Play Store. Now you want to switch from apps to search, go into search, and you can simply start typing in Messenger. As you can see, I failed at typing in, and now usually we should see it in our recommended settings. Now, most of the time you probably want to ignore whatever is going to appear in the Sponsored tab, because as you can see this is ChatGPT for some reason, and you want to go into Messenger. Usually you can distinguish the application, because you will notice that actually there are plenty of different messaging applications and almost every single of them looks the same. So that's not very cool, but you can distinguish them through the legit messenger by 5 billion downloads and by the publisher being Meta Platforms. And yeah, we now simply hit install, and if you have poor internet connection you can simply go into auto open when ready, and this means that after you install the application it will automatically open itself, which is pretty cool, I think. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching. See you next time!